everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to delete your eBay account. For this, I am going to use Chrome. You can use a suitable web browser of your choice. Tap on Chrome, tap on the search or type web address option, enter here ebay.com. This will take you to the official web page of an eBay app. Now tap on this profile icon. Make sure to get logged in just like me. Now tap on these three straight horizontal lines on the top left corner. Scroll down and tap on help option on the bottom. Tap on the search eBay help option. Enter here delete account. So here you can see closing your account option below. Tap on it. Scroll down and on the bottom you can see an option of close account. Tap on it. Scroll down. So tell them that why you are leaving by tapping on the select a category option. So I'm going to choose one of the issue and then I'm going to select a reason again. For that tap on the square box option in front of the particular reason. Scroll down and tap on the square box in front of I want to close my eBay account option and then tap on submit option below. So you can see that they have received our request to close our account and within 24 hours they'll send an update on the status of our request to our registered email address. So you are going to get the notification within 24 hours and it is 100% sure that your account is going to be deleted. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and goodbye.